Everyone, welcome to the new era of makeup. This is Rida Zahra, and if you're new here, like, subscribe and share Vegas.PK YouTube channel. So in the video today, I'm going to teach you how to create this baby pink chic makeup look, and the main focus, as you can see, is on the eyes, and everything is very soft. I haven't used any shimmers, any loud glitters, and just a hint of lip gloss. So this is something that's going to make everyone look and feel very pretty. वैसे भी pink जो है वो हम सब लड़कियों की weakness है. So I thought to create this very dainty makeup look today. So if you want to know how to create this look in a very quick and easy steps, keep on watching. So just to speed things up, I have done my foundation and concealer and a little bit of a pink hint of eyeshadow, and now I'm going to create the pop of colors that actually are going to stand out in your look. So for my eyeshadows, I'm actually going to take a blush on palette. This palette is from Makeup Revolution. It's called the Roxy palette. And for this look, I will be choosing most of the colors, which I'm going to show you as I apply it to my eyes. look, you guys, and it's very simple and it's very soft makeup look which is very quick to do. आप easily इसको अपने day time में carry कर सकते हैं. आप university जाएं, if you're going to your workplace, if you're going out with your friends, this can do wonders everywhere and make you look very fine and presentable. The main focus in this makeup was the eyeliner, therefore I chose the best pigmented eyeliner, which is the quick flick eyeliner. So you can see that it's very intense and black. It just somehow puts the whole look together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.